Hi, today for the VIVO Y22s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. Now just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, tap to OK in the left down corner, and now we can see here information to our device battery temperature, and that's 31 degrees in my case. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.